What if, for just 5 seconds, gravity vanished? We don't usually think about gravity, unless you're an astronaut. For most of us, gravity just is. It holds us down, keeps our feet on the ground, and quietly governs every second of our lives. But what if that invisible force, the glue of the universe, suddenly turned off? From the vast cosmos to the planets in our solar system, from skyscrapers to the blood in our veins, everything is bound by gravity. We take it for granted, but without it, the world as we know it would instantly fall apart. Gravity is more than just a pull. It's the reason the Earth orbits the Sun. It causes tides to rise and fall. It keeps the air we breathe from floating into space, and it holds our entire atmosphere in place. Without gravity, our planet wouldn't just be unlivable, it would be unimaginable. So let's imagine. Just 5 seconds without gravity. Ready? In a flash, the Earth continues spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour, but nothing is held down. Anything not bolted to the ground launches into the sky. Cars, boats, people, pets, even entire buildings. At the equator, you'd feel hurricane winds 6 times stronger than Katrina, enough to fling objects over 2 kilometers away in seconds. And it's not just humans. Trees, soil, lakes, rivers, even entire oceans would start rising, pulled into the sky. The atmosphere itself begins to leak into space. We'd instantly lose huge amounts of oxygen, and without air pressure, the delicate organs in your ears would rupture. Breathing becomes impossible. Panic sets in. Meanwhile, deep within the planet, a more terrifying process begins. The Earth is held together by gravity. But now, without it, the planet starts to swell. Internal pressure builds, volcanoes awaken, the surface shakes. Even 5 seconds of expansion is enough to trigger massive earthquakes and erupting magma from beneath. Up in space, the chaos continues. Planets, once held in perfect orbit, begin to drift from the sun. In 5 seconds, Earth could shift 150 kilometers off course, not enough to freeze instantly, but enough to destabilize everything. Then gravity comes back. Everything that rose now crashes back down, debris, buildings, people, slamming into Earth with fatal force. If you weren't already dead from suffocation or pressure loss, the impact might finish the job. And even if you survived, the aftermath would be just as deadly. The Earth's core recompresses, triggering more quakes, more eruptions. Oceans violently displaced return in monstrous waves. Mega floods drown entire coastlines. Whole cities crumble. Millions die. And beneath the destruction, the ground splits open, swallowing entire towns into the earth. And all of this happened in just 5 seconds. Let that sink in. Gravity isn't just a force. It's the heartbeat of our world, the thread that ties us to reality itself. Without it, existence would unravel. Thanks for watching. What do you think would happen if gravity really failed? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending what-if stories.